Are you excited about the new release of our live video stream monitoring system, Elecard Boro 2.2? The new release includes expanded monitoring capabilities, improved user interface, and enhanced stability. One of the major additions in this release is the expansion of monitoring capabilities for the MPEG-DASH protocol. We have added support for the multi-period manifest structure, which can include a sequence of periods in a single manifest. Another significant change is the addition of SCTE-35 AD insertion tag analysis for the MPEG-DASH. This allows for the control of advertisements in MPEG-DASH to be on par with HLS. The new probe can now detect the end URL of an OTT stream, allowing it to output the actual address that uniquely identifies the CDN from which the OTT service is received. In version 2.2, we redesigned the IPTV service sniffing system. The new system automatically detects and runs monitoring tasks for UDP services with bitrates higher than the specified one. There is also a new automatic search for UDP services containing SAP announcements on a specified network interface. We added support for the RTMP PULL protocol. On the probe web page, users can now create tasks for these streams and have access to automatic recording when errors are detected. Records are saved in the FLV format. In addition to the protocols, we have increased the amount of processed information for the actual video streams. For example, the new version now includes HDR analysis. Our monitoring system detects all main types of HDR, identifies the profile, and displays static metadata in the video information window. We have added a new feature that we called TabSync. It allows you to synchronize multiple open task pages for simultaneous positioning on graphs and event logs or alarms. Additionally, we added the ability to pause log updates, which makes it easier to work in situations where the system detects multiple recurring problems in the same stream. Now, the current status of all services in the project is displayed at the top of any web page. This allows you to instantly assess the current situation and take appropriate action. We have also spruced up the classic pages in the new version. For example, on the Live View page for OTT and SRT tasks, you can now expand existing subtasks to identify the problematic one. A penalty area has been added to the Block View page. Initially, the user groups tasks for one service, but from different locations, into a single block on the page. It is shown as a single block in the block view. This grouping helps localizing a service problem using only a single window. The users can now choose what to move to the penalty area when an error is detected in one of the tasks. It can either be the entire group as a whole or only a problematic task. This way, the operator doesn't need to manually expand group blocks to find the problematic task. This feature was designed specifically for large stream counts and massive dashboards. Full support for SAML authentication has been implemented. This enables Boro to integrate with the existing corporate authentication system, simplifying the login process for users, enhancing security, and facilitating credential management. Trusted SAML service providers are supported, for example, Amazon Web Service. Additionally, in the new version, we have expanded the project roles and added two new ones: an operator and an engineer. You can see the general differences between those roles on the screen. Furthermore, specific users may be granted access to specific probes. For instance, a service partner can be granted temporary access to view the error log. We have added the feature of changing the project owner. This is useful in a scenario where an employee leaves the company, yet their account with their email address is set as the owner in the Boro monitoring system. In version 2.2, users can now receive audio notifications when an error occurs or stops. You can assign different sound alerts to different types of errors. There is also an icon at the top of the web page to pause audio notifications. We have introduced a quiet time scheduler. It allows users to pause notifications for specified periods of time without disabling the notification profile entirely. This can be useful, for example, to disable notifications about a video freeze during the night hours when broadcasting a test card or a color bar. Users will also appreciate the following interface improvements. We have, finally, added a dark theme. Users can now select their time zones, simplifying the work for large engineer teams working from different time zones with the single event log. To improve service quality, we have added the option to update the probes to the developer version. This will speed up and simplify the update process, delivering the bug fixes and new features to the clients even faster. So do not wait. Go check out the new version on our website. Register a trial account and get access to all new features today.